Welcome to Incident Aware by Genesis Systems, our all-in-one emergency management application for rapid response and effective crisis management, tailored for today's dynamic organizations. On your screen, you see the central dashboard, a real-time list of incidents and pertinent information about them available at a glance. This screen dynamically updates as users add new incidents and collaborate on existing ones. Notice the icons visible under each listed incident. These icons indicate the number of answered questions, notes, checklist items, and custom data fields included with each incident and function as a shortcut to those additional detail screens, as well as a quick indication of incident engagement. Each incident is classified with a type for quick identification, complete with timestamps and a brief overview, allowing for swift assessment and action. You can highlight incidents important to you, and search and filtering capabilities are at your fingertips, enabling you to quickly navigate and manage incidents efficiently. Administrators have the power to lock, unlock, and discreetly hide and unhide incidents. Admins can also restrict which incident types users can see and limit user profile changes, ensuring integrity and security in your response management. At the bottom of the screen, you see the Add a New Incident button. You can swipe this to activate an urgent alarm such as a panic, lockdown, or evacuation event. In urgent situations, the Swipe for Panic alarm functions as a lifeline, whereas pressing the button allows new incidents to be quickly created based on an existing incident template with minimal app navigation. Incident Aware transforms emergency response into a seamless, collaborative endeavor. Dive deeper into the details with Incident Aware. From the main dashboard, if you tap on an incident, you are taken to a comprehensive, incident-specific interface, empowering your team to manage each situation with precision. At the top, you'll find pertinent tabs like Summary, Questions, Notes, and Checklist and more, each with a counter showing the amount of input received or actions taken on that page, giving you a quick indicator of the latest collaborative efforts. The Summary tab offers a snapshot of the incident, including the title, the initiator's name, a brief description, and a timestamp. If location data was included, a map can show the precise location and estimate the physical address. Likewise, if an audio recording was included, you can play it from this tab. Additional fields like comments, phone number, email address, and site can also be enabled. The Questions tab shows the questions that have been answered by users to date. Any assigned user can interact with an incident and provide clarification and updates. Available questions and the type of answer permitted are pre-populated based on the fully customizable incident type template managed by system admins. Tapping on the Notes tab reveals pre-populated instructions as well as user observations, conversations, and multimedia attachments linked to the incident, contributing to a richer contextual understanding. The Checklist tab provides a structured action plan with real-time updates on the completion status of each task, ensuring no critical step is overlooked. Checklists can be pre-populated by incident template, or items can be added on the fly. The Custom Fields tab can be used to include additional information defined by you or received from another Genesis integration, such as more details on an outbound 911 caller from a cloud PBX. The Incident Status tab shows user engagement when tracking user responses is desired or compelled. From here, you can see how many users have been contacted, who has replied, what their response was, and the communication channel used, offering a dashboard view of the incident's outreach and engagement. Administrators have oversight on this screen too, with the ability to lock the incident and prevent further changes or unlock it to allow continued updates. Admins can also generate PDF incident detail reports in summarized and detailed formats. Incident Aware's Incident Detail screen is your command center for individual crises, providing all the tools you need for an informed and coordinated response. With Incident Aware, administrators are in control of deciding who receives alerts through customizable notification groups. You can easily assign specific staff members or external contacts to various notification groups, ensuring that the relevant people are informed at the right time. On the Main Groups screen, you'll see a list of your defined Notify groups, each one created for different scenarios, incident types, notification methods, or organizational departments. Tapping on a group brings up the Group Detail screen, where you can adjust the group description and modify the custom message that accompanies alerts sent to the group's recipients. Adding a new contact to a group is straightforward. With just a tap, you can input their contact details, including email and mobile number, and specify whether they should receive text messages, voice calls, email alerts, or a combination of the three. Contacts can be managed with ease. Simply swipe to remove an entry or tap it to edit their details. The ability to have multiple, distinct groups means that you can segment your notification strategy based on roles, locations, or incident types. Each group's customization options allow for tailored communication plans, ensuring that alerts are both relevant and timely. Administrators have the flexibility to modify these groups, add new ones, or deactivate them as your business's needs evolve. This level of customization ensures that your incident response team is both dynamic and adaptable, matching your unique demands. Genesys can also work with you to automate the creation and maintenance of Notify groups, simplifying the implementation and integration of Incident Aware into your organization. Incident Aware empowers administrators to manage every detail of an incident response by using incident type templates. These incident templates serve as the foundation for new incidents, ensuring that every event is consistently presented with the appropriate level of detail and response. Upon entering the Edit Incident Types screen, you are presented with a list of your existing templates. Here, you can see which incident types are already configured and what information is included within the template. Templates can include default field values, questions, notes and instructions, checklists, and more. Tapping on an incident type reveals the Edit Type screen. You can create a helpful description for this incident type and configure additional alerts for changes in notes, checklist items, and lock status. For instance, when a checklist item is added or updated, or when an incident is locked or unlocked, an alert can be sent to keep all relevant parties informed. Incident Detail Fields. Here, you can define the required fields such as title, description, comments, location, and more. You can set default values for some of these fields or leave them optional, guiding users through the incident reporting process. Response options. Control how users interact with an incident and whether you want to request a user response. Specify a question or action item and prompt users to send a specific positive, neutral, or negative response status. Users can also provide a message with additional details when they are prompted to respond. Additional notes. Add instructions or important notes that will be automatically included when an incident of this type is created, enhancing the guidance provided to users and ensuring a consistent response. Further collaboration text, photos, and multimedia provided by your users will be shown alongside these initial instructions. Available questions. Set up predefined questions that users can answer when creating a new or collaborating on an existing incident. Questions can allow multiple choice, single line, or longer open-ended answers, so you can ensure the critical details you need are not overlooked. and that each incident report is comprehensive. Custom fields. Define any custom fields you would like users to be able to see or complete, specific to the incident type or your organizational needs. In some cases, custom fields can be populated from other Genesys integrations and provide you with space to input data that is more formal than a note. Incident checklists. Create a list of tasks that will be automatically included when an incident of this type is created. Users can mark tasks as completed as part of their incident response. Users are also able to add tasks in addition to the automatically generated ones you define here. Checklists ensure a structured and thorough approach is followed when handling the unfolding situation. Notify groups. Select which existing notify groups should be alerted when an incident of this type is created. As we showed earlier, notification groups can include email, SMS, and voice call recipients. Select the groups you want to inform based on the urgency and nature of the incident. The Incident Types screen in Incident Aware is designed to maximize flexibility and control, allowing your organization to prepare for any eventuality with a customized and systematic response. Next, we will explore the User Management screen of Incident Aware, where administrators have comprehensive control over user access and permissions. Along the top, you will find options to filter users by various criteria, or search for a user by name to quickly locate and manage their profile. Tapping on a user takes you to the user profile, where crucial contact details are readily editable. You can adjust their display name, contact details, location, role, and configure alert criteria, ensuring that each user's profile is up to date and accurate. Incidents and notifications. Here you can fine-tune which incident alerts each user receives, enhancing the relevancy of notifications. You can also customize visibility options to minimize clutter. Users can subscribe to notifications for all incident types or just the ones pertinent to their role and responsibilities. Geofences and location tracking. This optional feature provides real-time updates on user movements, critical for incident response in specific locales. Geofence tracking can log arrivals and departures, keeping everyone informed and accountable during events. Contact details and address information. These sections allow for input of additional user details, such as home and work phone numbers and physical address information. Emergency information. This section captures essential personal data that might be required in a crisis, such as emergency contacts or medical notes. This preparedness ensures that when help arrives, they will have the right information at hand. Returning to the Edit Users main screen, the addition of new users is just a tap away. Genesys is also able to assist you with bulk user onboarding if desired. Next, under Site Information, we will explore the Site Permissions screen. Here, administrators can dictate the fields that users are permitted to view and edit in their profiles. This control allows for a balance between user autonomy and administrative oversight, safeguarding the integrity of your user data and preserving desired alert paths. As we conclude our journey through Incident Aware, let's reflect on the core functionality of the application. Incident Aware combines a user-friendly interface with powerful features: incident monitoring, detailed reporting, customizable alert groups, configurable incident types, and comprehensive user management. Incident Aware empowers administrators and users alike to respond with agility, precision, and confidence to any event as it unfolds, and is truly a critical tool for ensuring organizational safety and streamlining communication when efficiency matters most. Thank you for viewing the Incident Aware demo. For more information or to answer your specific questions, please contact one of our solution experts.